Hello there. Super quick overlook for the new ZCI standard gearbox. Now this is a cast shell. It's quite well finished. I have to agree with that. Certainly out of the compared to the E and C, it's a lot better finished. It's got a lot better. The mouldings are a lot cleaner. Do tend to. I think on the other version that I had, I think on the previous version, it wasn't painted on the inside, so they've and sort of cleaned up on the inside. I mean, what the paint does, the paint kind of just fills in some of the imperfections of the casting, so you can't really see it. And you know, some companies like Lonix with their one, they chrome plate it, which gives it a nice sort of shiny effect, and it's easier to clean. But generally, underneath, they're all made of a sort of zinc metal mix. And you can get various levels of zinc hardness as well. So I'm not entirely too sure what is this, but for a standard build, these are perfect. These are pretty decent. The radius on the sides could be a little bit better, but you can easily fix that. What else? Okay, so that's one side. Oh, you've got 8mm bearings that have been pressed in, and they're pretty hard in. They're not gonna come out easily. I can't push them out. Which is a nice little touch. You know, you can get those out and put bushings in if you want, but it's ready to go as it is. So inside you get the cut-off lever. This is I'm pretty sure this is just their zinc one. I'll have to check later, but I'm pretty sure that's just the cheaper one that they do. Standard safety. You get. Yeah. On the previous model, it was a slightly different trigger, so it looks like they're actually changing it up a little bit, which is quite interesting. You get the standard trigger block there with the crappy TAM connector, easily changed. But I'm guessing a lot of you just rip this out and put in a MOSFET anyway. Again, you get these little you get the wire protector here with a nice little clip in it. In this one, I quite like this little idea. I've seen it before in a few other gearboxes, but it's pretty decent. You get that in there, and you can just run that, and that just holds it there fine. So if you're just running a standard MOSFET as well, you know, you'll have the 3 wires, the signal wire going through there as well. So on the whole, for the money, yeah, I think it's pretty decent. I'm trying to get them to send me without any of the extra parts, because as well, obviously you get like the selector plate here as well, so it's ready to go. But they only seem to do them with the parts like this. So yeah, if you want to check one out for a standard build, go ahead.